Hey everyone, it's Kirsten broadcasting live from my ice bath in the hotel after my 4th marathon in a row. And today I just finished the marathon in North Carolina, which it makes my 28th state and my 55th marathon, I think. I have to check my geeky spreadsheet. But I'm feeling okay. Today was definitely the hardest of the 4 so far, which is interesting because I woke up feeling great. I popped my blisters, I rubbed down my chafe, and I woke up this morning feeling really good. Like my muscles weren't sore, my knees weren't achy, and everything felt great. And I started running the marathon this morning, and about mile 8, I started getting really fatigued. So it wasn't anything in particular, it wasn't anything specific, just overall muscle fatigue. And my bones felt like they were really achy and really sore. So my goal for all the marathons this week is to run at least half of them. I run at least half of each one. So I grabbed my music, which is the first time I've had to do it this time around for these marathons, and just started listening to some music and just said, just run to mile 13. So I got to mile 13. I walked a couple miles while I drank a thing of Shakeology, which really helped my muscles feel a lot better and gave me a little bit of energy. And then I ran most of the second half. I would walk, after I walked those initial 2 miles, probably the longest walk I did was a mile. And then I walked on and off. So I ended up finishing in a time of 5:08, which actually isn't my slowest of the 4. It's my third fastest, second slowest. But it was definitely the hardest. So mentally, it was a huge, huge challenge. But at no time did I ever feel like, oh, I'm not going to do this, because I know I can always walk and I'm not afraid to walk. It just mentally, it was the toughest one for me so far. So right now I'm taking a little bit longer ice bath because by the end, I was definitely feeling it in my muscles. My calves started cramping. When I was walking to the car, my quads are really, really tight. So everything feels extra tight today compared to how it's been the last few days. So tomorrow should be very interesting. So tomorrow we're heading to South Carolina. Today's marathon was in North Carolina. So I'm gonna post the company who does these series races, because it's a really fabulous company and they do a great job of taking care of us. There's amazing support. The community is awesome, which is really what's keeping me going. So every time I see someone and they're like, oh, you're looking good, you're looking strong, I'm like, oh, I gotta keep running because they think I'm looking good and looking strong. So it's pretty phenomenal. And I'm excited that I got over the hump. This was 4 of 7. So happy hump day to me. And I will see you guys tomorrow. All right, bye.